Hello guys, welcome to LeetCode Daily Decode. Today we'll be solving minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram. So let's look at the problem. You are given two strings of same length s and t. In one step you can choose any character of t and replace it with another character. Return minimum number of steps to make t an anagram of s. Let's quickly see the example. Uh, as we can see this example BAB and ABA. What does an anagram mean? Basically, if two strings are called anagram of each other, when the frequency of characters inside uh, in both the strings are equal. By that, what I mean is A is coming one time over here, but A is coming two time over here. So we need to make sure that the number of times A is coming in a T is equal. Like according to question, we have to return minimum number of steps to make T an anagram of S. So number of A is should be equal to 1, right? And number of B should be equal to 2. And we need to do it in a minimum possible way. So the question is pretty straightforward. Let me quickly explain the approach that we are going to use. So what we are going to do is basically we'll iterate over. We'll have uh, a dictionary for like key value pair of both the characters as well as their occurrences. So frequency map of the characters of both the strings, and then we'll match it one by one. So what we'll do. So for any character in T, we have to see the number of basically, so for any character in S, if there is any the same if the same character is there in T, we have to see the number of character, like the frequency of character is, if it is less than S, then we have to do something, right? Otherwise we don't have to do something. First case would be the size difference of S and T, like they both have different size, right? So that can be one case, although that the constraint is already given over there that they both will always be of same size. So we'll make a frequency map, we'll iterate over it. So for example, L, right? L is coming once over here, but L is not coming at all over here. So the number of times L is coming in T is 0. So the difference we'll add up in our answer. That is how we're going to approach. And why we are doing it like this? Because L, we need to make T equal to L, right? So we need to see the difference between the character frequency between T and S, right? That is why we are checking uh, each character of S and comparing it with T, and then making the decision to add it in the number of steps, right? So let me quickly write the code for it, and you will be able to understand it more clearly. So this is how our answer will look like. I have made two dictionaries. First is for the string s, and second is for string t. I've used counter operator over here, that is already provided by Python. And I have defined a answer variable, that is 0. Now I am iterating over the keys of my first dictionary, that is the s string. And if that string, like if that particular character is there in uh, t, as well as that particular character, the frequency of that character is less than the frequency of the character in s string, right? If both these cases are uh, correct, then what we'll do is basically we'll add the difference between the frequency to our answer. Okay, but if that character is not at all available in the string, if that character is not available in the t string, I'll have to add all the occurrence of that character, like the frequency of that character in the s string, because at least that many steps we have to take to make the second string, the t string, equal or anagram of s string, right? So it's a pretty straightforward problem. You just need to think logically that if if in the second string there is some character which is not available, and but it is available in first string, we have to do like the number of times that character has come in string 1, we have to do at least that many operations. And if there is the character which is already in both of them, we have to like change until like the difference between them is covered. So at least those many steps are needed to be done, because we can only change uh, like in one step we can only choose a character, like choose any character and replace it with another character. So only one character at a time we can update. So that is the main reason we are finding the difference between frequency and then adding it to our answer. So uh, I hope this problem uh, should be marked in as easy, but yeah, so this is a medium problem over here and this is a solution. Let's quickly submit it. So yeah, it is giving correct answer. um, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.